Oh boy, what's up? Let me see. Nah, I think it's. Is there a way to move this washing machine? Or is it? Or maybe just turn it a little bit. You need help with it?
No.
Oh, that's probably good right there.
That's good?
Yeah, so I think what's going on is I think your drain valve, which has that little like
Cap.
little cap on there.
Yeah.
Those are notorious for leaking, right? So what I want to do is put the water off to it and change that out to a brass one, right? Then I got a vacuum with me. I'll vacuum all that water out of there and get it relit and see if the water comes back. I think we'll probably stop it. Okay. And once it's all dried out, it should fire back up again, and you just go on into the future with it working.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no worries. I think that's what's going on with that. I can't guarantee 100%.
Yeah, but it's worth a shot.
Oh, it's worth a real good shot, yeah. All right, so I came out here and did a service call a while back, and I changed the chamber sensor, and now we got a leak going on here, and I'm pretty sure it's the drain valve, just based on all this action. So I'm gonna try to get all the water out of here and change the drain valve over to brass and try and restart the water heater. And I'm really glad I brought my vacuum with me, because I grabbed it at the last minute. So right now you're probably wondering, why didn't I just do this when I was out here last time? See if the leak comes back. I'm not seeing it. hours. Alright, see pilot light. It's pretty beat. It's been leaking real bad for a while. So that's good. We got a pilot light going. So I changed the drain valve over to brass. That stopped the water, vacuumed up all the water out of here. Please kick over so I get the hell out of here. There we go. I heard the click. I see no blue light, but that's okay. So the LED is out. This water heater's got a lot of problems, but we got her going. You can see, so, you know, leaky drain valve. Imagine that. Change that over to brass. I just use a small shop vac, wet, dry shop vac. Just put a little garden hose attachment on the end. It gets deep inside there, sucks all that water out, stops the leaking, and reset it. It's really crazy because the LED is out on it. Well, we don't really care. I got it set on B, and we should be able to go home here in like, I don't know, 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel, and you guys have a great night.